Last week, I went to go mow my grass and the throttle cable just broke. So I went up to TSC, waste of time. I went to Ace Hardware, waste of time. They had universal throttle cable kits, but they're like 50 bucks. And I found this mower on the side of the road, so I'm not spending 50 bucks on it. But I found an easy fix, guys, and I'm gonna show it to you today. Watch till the end to see how I get it fixed. I'm gonna fix it with just this one old zip tie. You can use a piece of wire if you want to be able to reuse it. I'm just gonna use this zip tie and then cut it when I'm done with the grass. Normally the throttle cable comes through here and attaches here and pulls here. So all you gotta do is take a zip tie and connect these two together. You pull right here, it's pretty easy. If you have to, use some pliers. Once you start pulling, you can put the zip tie on. See how I made it tight? All right, that's all you gotta do. And then you'll just like usual, prime it. You don't need to worry about your throttle cable, you can remove that. Just like that. All right, I'm gonna put some drone footage of me mowing my grass up. It's just a hobby of mine, so I'm just doing it for fun. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, got this fixed up with just a zip tie. Thanks for watching. Don't waste your time going to TSC or anywhere. Just fix it. Get your grass mowed, and if you want to order a cable, you can, but that's up to you. I got a donor mower sitting right over there that I had the camera propped up on earlier. I'm gonna try to steal the cable off it later, but I'm pretty satisfied with the fix for now. I've got my side tied up. It's been permanently repaired for some time now, so I can fix that with that other mower too. That's how to fix your mower up if your throttle cable snaps. I hope this video was helpful. I'm gonna stick some videos up over there. Check them out, I'd appreciate it. Best way to support my channel is to hit that subscribe button. I got a whole playlist of fixing yard equipment. So if you're having trouble with any yard equipment, go check that out first. Thanks for watching. Let's get straight to the next one.